Damselfish. They're damsels in distress fish. You are, well, again, you're a toddler. That's more of a on the way to toddler baby. Be gentle and be careful.
Go ahead, Josh.
Yeah, hi Josh. Hey,
Right there.
would you also like a triangle?
Good job.
Yay! Would you like a triangle, Josh?
Where does the triangle go? Right there, Bubby. Josh, try the triangle right there. Get your triangle.
I'm going to try this thing. Try the giant water bag.
Well, that one's not going to fit. Try that one, Bubba. Josh. Josh, take it over there. You want to try the square in here? There you go. Push it in. Josh, push it in. Bubby, push. Whoa. Yeah. Oh, that one's not going to go there. That one's a circle. Yeah, those are fish.